We pave your way to charge at home with our installation services. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the advantages of our convenient solution for charging your Porsche vehicle wherever you prefer.
Check it out.
With our special charging concept, you can conveniently charge your Porsche vehicle at home or at your workplace. By choosing our installation services, our qualified service partner will ensure a seamless installation and commissioning of your Porsche charging hardware at your desired location. Porsche connects you with a qualified local service partner from our global network who will perform all the steps necessary for your installation, from finding the right spot to setting up the configuration of your charging hardware. Our service partners not only explain the usage of your newly installed charging hardware, they also give you advice on topics such as local installation requirements. Should you already have an electrician available to perform the installation, we provide information on the installation and commissioning of your Porsche charging hardware, such as manuals, videos, and frequently asked questions. Visit our website or contact a dealer to get started. You will receive consultation regarding your charging needs and an introduction on how to enable charging at your location. Once your services are booked, the service partner will take care of the installation and commissioning of the Porsche charging hardware, ensuring a smooth preparation of your home for the arrival of your new electric vehicle. Don't miss out on the benefits of the installation services. Visit our website now or reach out to a dealer nearby. We, Porsche, and our service partners will pave your way to charge at home.